Jennifer, you ready?
You ready?
All right, everyone. I think we probably have enough to get going. I don't have, as far as I can tell, any of the correctional facilities on here. So as we move into the afternoon, I'm assuming they'll join in. But we have several other people. So if you are, if anybody knows that they have what they need to go forward and start with something, just let me know and we'll get going.
Judge, it's Bobby.
Yes, sir.
We have a pretrial conference scheduled for Alex Chase, and I wanted to ask the court. I've already texted the Commonwealth to put that off till a day in May where we can be there in person. Nobody's interested in. I don't know of anything why it would have to be done today anyway.
Your
Yeah,
Honor, considering we're going to be going back in person in May, I don't have an objection to that. I've given discovery and given an offer to Bobby, so he has all that.
okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't have an issue with that. Bobby, how does May the 10th look?
That looks perfect. I've got another one at the same time,
Okay.
so that'll work out good.
So 20 CR 198 Commonwealth versus Chase. We'll move that to May 10th at 1 o'clock.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Is that it?
Said.
All right.
Hey, Judge, I've got a case I'm covering for Ben.
Okay.
All right. It's Dana McCubbin. It's on, I think, for review. I talked to Ben about it, and he said that he checked. I think it's up maybe. The Commonwealth is trying to appeal it for discretionary review before the Kentucky Supreme Court. And Ben checked, I guess, the website last week, and he said that the Supreme Court hasn't accepted the case yet. So
I talked to the Attorney General's office, Judge, and
Okay.
it's basically being held in abeyance. I guess there's several other cases that involve that Birchfield issue. And I think the court's going to take all of them up at the same time, but we're just kind of waiting on them pretty much. So,
Yeah, it seems like back in August of last year, we got something from the chief saying that he was holding the request for discretionary review in abeyance pending the outcome of some other case that I'm not familiar with. But Mike, you're probably right. It's probably another case with a similar issue. So we really just can't do anything but just kind of hang on and wait.
yes, sir. That sounds good.
pretty much.
We've been reviewing it every 3 or so months, give or take. And so I don't really have a big problem if you all want to do the same thing. Again, put this out maybe towards the
fine.
middle or end of the summer.
We can put it in July, Judge, it's fine.
July the 19th.
Let's see here. Hold on 1 second, just in case I have to cover it. Let's see, July the 19th. Yes, sir, that's fine.
Okay, so we'll do July 19th at 1 o'clock.
Your Honor, can I ask a question about her case?
Yes.
She is on pretrial diversion for some charges and then the probation for the DUI. And I'm understanding that's the charge that all this is about, but will she remain on supervision for the pretrial diversion charges also? That's set to expire next month, I think. Or
Yeah.
does the whole case, does both cases remain on supervision at this time, or?
Well,
Judge,
Let go ahead.
I had read the appeal, and the only thing being appealed was the DUI. So my understanding was the possession would stay on diversion. So just from what I read, unless you think differently, I mean, I think once it's run, and that but the DUI is still hanging out there pending the outcome of the appeal.
Yeah, I just wanted to go back to the judgment, but the judgment says that she was put on pretrial diversion for counts 1 and 2 and count 3, which was the DUI. The penalty imposed for count 3 is held in abeyance pending the outcome of the appeal. So I think that's the only thing we're still waiting on. She's still on pretrial diversion, which was the agreement that everybody was going to do on the felony.
But that is set to expire next month, correct? The pretrial diversion?
I take your word for it. I don't know. I
Okay.
didn't look.
She told me. I'm going by what she told me.
Oh, well,
It's nearing the end.
probably write that down in stone then. Yeah, it looks like she entered her pretrial diversion on the 9th day of May,
Yes, sir.
2018. Yeah, so,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Okay. Thank you.
thank you.
Judge, thank you. I don't have anything else.